As Ateneo getting that first serve. Dongallo immediately going to work for UP.
Casido and hit.
Yeah, outside. Pasok din yung ace. Yung serve rather, that's why it's an ace. One of those family of athletes. Oh, nice rejection from Fina Ali.
Go in the middle.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Well, knowing that Cortez was going to go for a quick attack in the middle.
Oh man, back-to-back blocks. 6-2. Bump set by Cortez. Hora again. 3 consecutive blocks. Perio for Ateneo. Coach Fabio naman for UP.
So 2 different systems and both rebuilding teams. So I'm sure these squads just really have to trust the process. And one day, the new systems will definitely pay off.
Nice rally here. Julia De Leon, off-speed attack from Yesha Noceja. Chunashima, dug up by Capistrano. Hinabol na lang at itinawid ni Dongallo. Fiona Arroya sets up Chunashima, who breaks through the block.
That was
And she became a setter because the size obviously is there. As Cassie Dongallo.
But earlier, UP scoring a lot of those block points. Now a service ace from Ateneo. Tsunashima getting aggressive with their service. The reception pattern of UP.
Ooh, ace ulit. And it's just unfortunate. Oh, the hammer from Cassie Dongallo.
Scored.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries.
Girls supporting their former teammates, whether that was their teammates in the G-Ville. Bacolod Taitong players supporting Casey Cortez, Gian Tuatico, lineup of Ateneo.
Ateneo, though, needs to solve this very intimidating net. Reverse set, Fina Ali just towering over the blockers.
For Ateneo, because of Ali there, just really capitalizing on that late.
Dongallo picked up by Fiona Arroyo. Chunashima. Doname De Leon clips the line.
Good target for De Leon on the side of UP on that time.
This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Away from securing set number 1. Pasha was set back there. Another block by UP.
Ateneo's coverage.
Zay Pasha gets that one in.
This time Pasha.
Dongallo. Babalik sa UP ang bola. Fina Ali. De Leon. Binalikan si Dongallo sa bandang kanan. And she punctuates. Sets as usual. Fighting Maroons take care.
Now for UP.
Daming former Bacolod Taitong high school players. Itong unit ng Ateneo.
So
sequences.
Some adjustments on the setting.
Zay Pasha from the right pin.
Of Ateneo, great setup as well from Fujimoto.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
No past few games that we've seen here in the Shaky Super League, but really needing to heat up in this match aside from Hermosura.
Yeah. Gajero. At least that Thor defense working for Ateneo. But not that time. Third time's the charm for...
Exclamation point coming from a bomb set of Kizzy Madriaga. Just hitting that over.
Tax sa gitna. Much better execution for Ateneo.
That's a play that...
Ira Haboneta. Cross court.
Haboneta with a tough angle. On
Jelay Gajero far from the net. Papansin mo yung mga set ni Jelay. Yung mga ganyan, gusto niya ganyan eh.
quicker sets and those shoot sets. Sure, Madriaga knows exactly what Gajero is looking for.
Oo. Ayun, saktong-sakto that time.
Fabio giving some adjustments to Madriaga's sets to Gajero, but right on cue, Jelay Gajero. Look at that timing.
Kita mo yung hang time doon. Oo, hindi nila ma-check eh. Isa pang kulang sa Ateneo so far, yung net defense nila, halos di natin nararamdaman eh.
They had 0 blocks compared to UP's 5 in that first set. And so far, I don't think they've got a kill block in the second set.
It's still alive though. Nicely done from Fiona Arroyo. Oh, but Casey Madriaga tricking every...
Outsmarting Ateneo's floor defense. No one ready to anticipate that 1-2 play.
Boot point lead. Reverse set, Zay Pasha. Nandun na naman si Jelay.
This one again, Pasha going up for that drop, but Gajero really just pushed. Better receive from Ateneo.
Oh, nice execution. Fujimoto.
Perfect pass. Fujimoto has so many options and Nisperos finishing that one twice or multiple times. And of course, wanting to correct that right away.
Oh man, Jelay Gajero.
Jelay Gajero hitting from all sides of the court and finishes set number 2 with a cross-court attack. If they want to push this game into extended play.
That time, nice anticipation by Donna May.
So far,
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now and done, because like we said time and time again, we've been harping on this. It's more mental more than anything else, no, to lock in. And this time, nakita mo si Chuwatico, hindi rin na naitawid yung bola doon at hihiling na ng timeout. Coverage, net defense.
actually, coverage plays a huge role in the confidence of a spiker.
Yeah.
Knowing your teammates are there to cover that ball just in case you get blocked. And right on cue again.
Tax. Pinuntahan si Tsunashima. Blasting through the defense.
Cross court. And what a setup as well from Fujimoto.
This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Oh man, they are in disarray right now.
Hoping to get a win as we end round number 2.
And Kayla, should UP go on and win of the winning team in our next matchup. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Yes, for our second match.
Oo. Kung sino manalo dun, eh posibleng makalaban ng
The light that Ateneo is badly needing right now.
that play was brought to you by Kick Powered by Smart, Our Way, Our Rule. UP.
Better receive now for Ateneo.
Ooh, Nisperos with a hammer.
Sabes.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Meron din silang mga slight problems, no? It's a good one.
Lapses that we see throughout the game. But what's good about UP?
Patapos na nung nag-back-to-back points yung Ateneo. He called for time. Similar case here in set number 3. And that's gonna do it. UP cruising along to this